Hey everybody, welcome to our last video overview. This is of Module 8, and as you can see, it's a long module. It is the term paper. So let me kind of walk you through what we've got in this module. We start out with our objectives as always, so you know what you should be learning by the time you're done with this module. Then we've got the directions on the term paper. There are 3 videos. Video 1 is getting started and doing the initial draft of your term paper. Video 2 is doing the research element of your paper. Video 3 is actually writing the paper, how to put it all together. And then, like always, our final video goes over the rubric that will be used to score the term paper. Try to say the word rubric weird. Rubric. Anyway, I'm a little slap happy after making all these videos. Each video is followed by a self-assessment. There's 3 of them this time to make sure you understand the key components. There's a lot of references in the video to the term paper worksheets. This is a Google Sheets document. It's not a worksheet like we use in school. It's a Google Sheets document that you're going to use to collect all your information for the term paper. So that is located here. It's an optional submission. When you get it all filled out, if you want to submit it and want me to look at it, you're welcome to do so. You cannot fill the whole thing out until you get done with part 2. It's just located here because you started after part 1. Then you're going to watch the video on part 2. Then you'll fill out the second part of it in part 2, and then you'll use it on part 3. It is due a little bit earlier than everything else because if you're going to be writing your term paper, you can't turn this in on the last day and then get the paper written. So watch part 1. Use the term paper worksheets, take the self-assessment, go into part 2, self-assessment on part 2, part 3, self-assessment on part 3. If you break it down this way, the term paper is very manageable. The rubric's at the end, and then you can kind of apply that to make sure you've got all the elements. As always, you can post your questions to the module here, and I'll answer those. And then you turn in the term paper. If you're going to turn it in for scoring, oops, I just moved that. You can turn that in at the bottom. And I've got a video reminding you how to upload an assignment to Google Classroom. Again, you may not get the term paper finished this summer. A lot of people don't, but they really, really get a good start on it. So when it comes time in class to turn it in, they're just polishing it rather than writing the whole thing from scratch. So if you don't get all the way through the term paper, that's fine. But if you're getting a good head start on it, you're off to a great beginning. If you have questions over Module 8, shoot me an email and I'll be glad to answer those. And as always, have a great day.